Hey guys, wanna know how to remove or turn off sounds in MetaTrader 5? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, simply open up your MetaTrader 5 application. And once you're there, on the top left, you can see this small hamburger icon. Simply click on it. And now select Settings right here. Now once you have selected, here you should search up for quotes. For me, it's right on top. And right here under quotes, you can see order sounds. Now just simply turn it off by unchecking it right here. If your box is checked, just simply uncheck. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more MetaTrader 5 contents. See you in the next one.